Everything is difficult. Help me help you. Girl, what you tryna do? Cause I don't got a clue.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my another freaking video on YouTube. And today's video will be great for all of you, because in this video I'll be going to show you how you can get YouTube views for free in less time. So yes, it is 100% guaranteed method that you will get the views, because I've also tried to my own channel. I have got it and I've got bad results, so I thought it should be shared with you. But before starting off, I would like to tell you guys, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications if you have not done yet, because it will help you to catch up with my latest uploads. So now, without being said, let's get started into our topic, and that is to get views. So now the first step is to go to this website, Add Me Fast. The link is in the description. Please go through that, because it will because if you will go through that link, it will give you some bonus points like 300. So please, I recommend you to go from the link in the description. And now once you are in here, this website called Add Me Fast, now you have to register up yourself by clicking this button under email. You have to put your email and a password and another same password again, and the captcha, and now you have to sign up. Now once you have signed up, now you have to log in with your ID which you have signed up. Now I'm logging here in and putting my password and email. Now I'm logging. So okay, now this website experiencing something like this. It is an exchange website. You have to earn some points, and in return of that points you will get the views. Now it has many ways to earn free points. You can make points through Facebook liking someone's page, Instagram following, YouTube viewing, or okay are you joining. Now the step is here. I will show you the hack. Is that what you have to go is you have to open a new tab, and you have to go to my tab mail, and you have to create a new email. Now is it a fake email? You will get it for temporary 10 to 30 minutes. Now to copy this email, and you have to go to Twitter. Now once you're Twitter, you have to make your fake account that will be used for liking someone's other Twitter page. Not it's I recommend you to only use that fake account. So now once you are signed up with the Twitter, you have to log in that on PC, and now you have to go again back to your Add Me Fast. Now I'm going under the earn free points in the section Twitter following. Now so for example, I will take the Twitter likes. So I will just go to Twitter likes, and now it will give me a task to complete. I will get 13 points for liking his or her page. I will like that in a minute. So you have to do like this. I have not logged into a PC Twitter account, so I can't do this. So you can do this anyways. You have to do like this, and you have to like that person's page or follow his or her Twitter account, and you will get the points very fast. It's a very instant process. You will get the points as it when you will do this thing. Now once you have enough points that will to get your views, you have to go to add site or page. Now let's see here that I have 105 points. So I'm going to add site on pages, and I'm going to use my YouTube account to add up a new video. I'll just do that fast and close that alternative tabs. So I will select the YouTube views section, because I want the views. So I will click on that YouTube views. So where it is, it's here. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to YouTube. That's something slow. Okay, I'll just go there and going to my channel. Okay, just let it be here. And yes, in my channel. Now I will select a URL of one of my videos, so I will copy that, and I'm going to paste that in the video URL. You have to also give the title of the video. Let's see, I will give the Modern Combat 5 gameplay, or that I will just do the mark on 5. Now what here is a CPC. What CPC is that it is a cost per click. Whenever user clicks on your video, he or she will get the points. For example, if you have written the CPC 9, then whenever user click on your video, he will get the 9 points. So I recommend you to put the higher CPC because it will decrease the time of your getting views. Like if you put the higher CPC, you will get the views faster than the lower CPCs. So I will put the 9. And now this last step is to save changes. Now you can save changes, and now yes, you can see my site is successfully added, and you can see I will get the views in less than 1 hour or so. And this is a fast method, and hope you guys like the method. So please subscribe if you are new, so that you can catch up with my latest uploads fast as you can. So I recommend you to use this site because I've also tried this site and it's a very good site you can use anyways. But now till end, see you the next time. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, please subscribe, and bye guys. That's it, it's the end of the video.